Morning, everybody. It's 8:32, and this is Tuesday morning, the 8th of February. Your pre-opening comment, video number 1141, 1141. Okay, let's get to it. Asia is mixed. Europe is a little higher. In economic news, small business optimism down. 97.1 is the number. That's down 1.8 from 98.9. Not a lot of background information on it. We were supposed to get trade numbers, but we're 3 minutes past the time and they haven't been posted, so I wanted to get to you with these other items. NVIDIA ARM. Looks like the deal is absolutely and completely off. This is kind of a warning shot for mega cap companies that the current administration is going to be very hard on any mega cap mergers. The stock closed 247.28 yesterday, up $4. I think it must have been in the stock a bit. It's 244 and a half, and that is down about $2.78, right around 1%. BP beat. Stock closed 33.34, up 46 yesterday. 33.38, up 4 cents. We'll see how that shakes out in during the day. Take Two Interactive, slight miss. Closed 175.10, trading 170.153, down 357. Pfizer, a miss on revenue, a beat on earnings, and poor guidance add up to the stock being 50.95, down 229, or 4.25%. Morgan Stanley downgrades General Motors, a company whose stock I am very negative on the company. Last is 48.83, down $1.88, or 3.7. Simon Properties a beat, but poor guidance. 145.60, down 332, 2.2%. And Peloton is getting the Spotify ex-CFO to be CEO. That definitely puts a damper on all of the takeover speculation. I don't think you bring in a high-priced, high-profile guy to run the company to turn around and sell it. They're also cutting 2,800 jobs. That's roughly 20% of their workforce. The stock, which has been all over the place, not really doing a whole lot. I have seen it as low as about 28 and a half, but right now it's 29 and a half, and it's only down a quarter. And this one is just almost too unbelievable to be true, except that it comes out of California, and therefore I expect the ludicrous, having lived out there for quite some time. Proposition 12, the pig law. Pigs, pork sold in California has to be from pigs that had 24 square feet of room instead of being penned in the way they normally are. And they also don't want pregnant pigs to be separated and put in sort of crates the same way you would do your dog overnight. And the pig farmers say that they separate them so that they're not around the aggressive behavior. So it's actually to protect them. This is a California law. It's before the Supreme Court now. Pork prices, bacon prices up 24% and looking higher. Okay, futures. Oil down 122, nat gas up a dime. Gasoline and heating oil both lower. The gold, which had a great day yesterday, up as high as 1823 or so, closed 1821.80, currently down $1, so not much there. That's actually a pretty good hold after the rally that it had. Silver up 60 cents yesterday, up down 13.6 cents today. Just to give you a look, this is a nice quiet inside day so far. Any move above yesterday's 23.11 I would consider bullish. We do run into some trouble here around the 23 and a quarter, but we'll have to see how that shakes out. Stock indexes are for the most part lower. S&P down 275, NASDAQ down 34 and a half, and the Dow futures up 48, and fair value in that is only $2, so that's about where we are, up 48. NASDAQ, as I said, down 41. Bitcoin is a little lower after the last 2 days tremendous run, 43,565. Ethereum is down 74 at 3,082. Bonds are down about a half a point. The 10-year is currently trading around 194 and a half. This is the Bitcoin. As you can see, we got right up into the resistance here around 46,000, and we're now down on the day and on the low of the day. It may go back and hit this gap here between, let's see, on the downside, let's see, that gap is 40,935 to 41,420. That would be a pretty substantial pullback, but also may be very healthy. This is the first cross that we have of the 5-day, the purple line going through the 20-day. That's the old Dick Donchen rule, 5 and 20 moving averages to judge trend. So it looks like we may be changing the trend back to the upside, but I think we're going to have to take a wait and see. We sold our BITO calls, Bitcoin calls, yesterday for about a 250% return on the investment. Have a good day. Be careful out there, and I'll be back